How's it going, guys? Check out my Thai father-in-law make this authentic, antioxidant-rich Thai sour soup with Moringa pods called Kaeng Marum. Coming right up. This is my father-in-law.
Kaeng.
Some onions. So shrimp paste. Added some water to that. Just kind of mixing it up. Adding more water. And here's the vegetable that he prepared last night. Let's give it a quick rinse. Okay, so we got some fresh tamarind here. I know what you're thinking what it looks like. But this is fresh tamarind. It's like a staple in Thai cooking. It adds a sourness to it. One of the main ingredients in pad Thai. He's got the fermented fish sauce here. This has a very pungent smell. Very strong smell to it. Fermented fish sauce. This is like a potent anti-cancer soup. Lots of phytonutrients, antioxidants. The tamarind itself has a lot of health benefits itself too. So he's got the batu Thai mackerel, grows the wild Thai mackerel. Just throwing that in there. It already comes steamed. Yeah, just to give you a little idea how big it is. It's an oily fish. Very good for you. Lots of omega-3s. If you ever come to Thailand, give it a try. They sell it in all the open markets. You can make soups, fry it.
Fish powder.
Fish powder, okay. Some fish sauce. It's smelling so good. It smells so good.
Marum soup, Kaeng Marum.
So this is the marum vegetable right here. You can see it's kind of hard, so what you gotta do is just kind of peel it like this, and you see the inside is very soft, and there's like little pea-sized beans in here, and you just kind of delicious. Very lots of health benefits. The Thais refer to this as like medicine because they make capsules. See that, really soft. Doesn't really have too much of a flavor, but with the sauce, the fish, everything is just delicious. It's good. You can taste the tamarind, little sour, spicy. Oh, really good. Yummy. I can eat this whole bowl of the vegetables. Thanks for joining us. Hope you liked that video. My father-in-law cooking. So thumbs up if you like this video. See you guys in the next video. Lots more cooking videos. See you guys next time.